We move on now to the Environmental Solutions Award, and joining me on stage is the award sponsor, Kate Carnell, CEO of the Australian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Give Kate a big round of applause. Great to see you here, Kate. Let's meet our finalists for Environmental Solutions.
With natural resources increasingly under threat, organisations and individuals are looking for ways to minimise their impact on the environment. Our finalists in this category have made it their business to develop and provide solutions that improve energy efficiency, conserve water and reduce the overuse of farm chemicals. FARMSCANAG produces electronics to steer, map, monitor and control a range of farm machinery, helping reduce waste and the overuse of pesticides, herbicides and fertilisers. 70% of the world's fresh water is used for irrigation and 30% of it is lost during transit to farms. Rubicon Water's advanced technology improves the efficiency of irrigation distribution systems to retain more water during transit. SENTEK technology sensors continuously measure the moisture, salinity and temperature of soil, helping farmers to manage their day-to-day irrigation, fertigation and salinity requirements. Governments and global businesses are using SRA Information Technology's web-based program EnviroSys to track their environmental performance and report on greenhouse gas emissions, energy consumption, water quality and waste management. TTG Transportation Technology provides consulting services and rail technology that minimises the energy required to complete a journey, lowering fuel consumption, reducing carbon footprints and ensuring commuters enjoy smoother, on-time train journeys. The innovation and commitment to sustainability displayed by these finalists assure us that our world is in safe hands.
I've got the envelope, Adam, and it's Rubicon Water.
This is Rubicon's Chief Executive, Bruce Rogerson. Now, one of the great challenges faced by open channel irrigation is the loss of water en route to its farmland destination. Over the last 20 years, Rubicon Water has turned its mind to more efficiently transporting this most precious resource, and it's having great success both at home and overseas. In fact, in the last financial year, exports grew by 150%. R&D is at the heart of what they do. They have a very fruitful partnership with the University of Melbourne. So give Rubicon a big round of applause. Well done, Bruce. So as we heard there in the video, 70% of the world's fresh water is used for irrigation. 30% of that is lost in transit. What does your technology do to try and stop that?
It comes down to monitoring and control. So irrigation hasn't changed around the world for centuries, back from the Roman times effectively. So 70% of the world's water is used on agriculture. 70% of that's moved through open canals. So basically man-made rivers and canals, and it's run very manually. It's in places that you wouldn't expect, like Europe and the US. It's still run by people moving winding gates manually, guys in utes driving around. So our technology is about automating that, measuring IT software that controls all that and matches supply with demand and minimises losses. And
if you get your system, if something's fully automated and yours works as well as possible, how much do you save? How much can you improve the current old world practices?
Well, here in Australia, before our technology and before the modernisation and the millennium drought in the Goulburn Valley, 70% of that, the efficiencies were 70%, so 30% was lost. The areas that have been modernised throughout most of Australia now are running at 90% efficiency.
Wow.
So that move of 20% is amount of water that can really make a substantial difference to the world.
And I did mention you've got this fruitful partnership with the University of Melbourne. How important is that for you guys in keeping that R&D and that technology focus going?
It's been huge for us. Melbourne University, Professor Evan Rills, who's currently the Dean of Engineering, has been a fantastic contributor to our business. We still sponsor about 6 PhDs. It's a massive relationship for us in being able to stay ahead of the pack.
Well, congratulations, Bruce, and everyone at Rubicon Water. They're our winner. Well done. In the environmental solutions category,